sorry, one
Hmm.
the stand, and with many razor. I think 50 pieces razor. So
Oh.
I buy only 13 ringgit, just only 13 ringgit. I just buy outside three razor, that is 20 ringgit. Good quality one. So after buy, when I take, I get it, and then I try to shave. Okay, cannot, because the razor is very cheap. When
Yeah.
uh, when I try to shave, cannot. They cannot cut my hair. So that's one
Yeah,
quality.
sometimes it's online like that.
So
So
definitely I will be
we
give
cannot
the
to check.
best comment there.
Mm.
Yeah, Kakadi, you are right. Actually, China provide you one things. If you want to make something like a fabric, the fabric with good quality price is 10 ringgit 1 meter. Okay, but same fabric, same stuff, if you want to buy on cheap price, they also can provide you 6 ringgit also, 4 ringgit also. Just only they will be deduct little bit rate inside, and they can provide you. So any kind of product, if you bring to China, just show to them, and whatever you want to, yani ke they, it's mean they want to see your budget. Your budget is lower, they also will be make same under your budget, and you can buy.
Right.
Yeah. So China already changed all market.
Yes,
But
that's
that's
right.
Yes, I like it stay in China. China have they are protect everybody stay here like about everything protect about money about we have the salary like we have the application shelf. We
Mhm.
never to trust about made USA product.
Yeah.
Is it traffic jam in Malaysia, Sam?
No, 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 no.
Oh, you
Sometime,
just parking your car.
yeah, I just come here at a restaurant. I want to drink coffee. I just finish it.
Okay.
It's my habit to every night I drink coffee. So I just park car here. I asked to that guy just give me coffee in the car because I don't want to sit outside. It's very noisy there.
Yeah.